Welcome to today's episode of M.A.V. We're going to be doing a quick vlog video on this installation of this video camera for my rear view trunk. So I got a Nautica brand camera I'm going to be putting in. This kit comes with a bunch of different things. It comes with different gaskets for different angles. You can put it in different directions. It's made out of metal. It's really good quality for the price. It comes with a bunch of things like pry tools, zip ties, electrical tape, wiring, etc. A whole manual with it. So we're going to go ahead and show you guys step by step exactly what I did, and then we'll get ourselves going here. Hope you guys enjoy. Wire connecting to the wires for the camera runs back. This piece here meets up with the wire that continues up to the radio, and it also connects to this red and black wire that goes back here. Ground wire goes here. Red wire goes into the brown wire for the reverse light. That's how it's wired. This wire then runs behind the carpeting up into here underneath the rear plastic deck. And it comes through behind here, goes down up to the front. Alright guys, I'm drenched in sweat right now, and I finally got everything ran up, wired, crimped together as needed. Now's the moment of truth, so let's see if full reverse camera works on us. Actually gonna have to wait a second for this to boot up, so. Alright guys, our radio finally booted up, so let's put it in reverse and oh yeah. Yes! Woo! Backup camera is installed! Hell yeah, man. Oh shit. That is excellent. That is excellent. I don't know if this has the guidelines look a little bit different than before, so I wonder if these are the ones that move. No. These ones are stationary, just like the previous camera. It's just weird because I had the same exact camera as before. It's just this extra stuff wasn't here last time, like these little lines and these extra dashes and stuff. So it looks a little bit different, but yeah, like I finally have a backup camera again. Yeah, boy! Alright guys, as you can see, every last bit of trim and dash has been reinstalled. The wiring is all hooked up behind there now, and the camera works, so project successful. Please don't forget to like, share, subscribe. Hope you enjoyed today's episode of M.A.V. This is Spec M Auto. Stay safe out there, and I'll see y'all next time.